Hello everyone, I Rahul Tripathi, faculty of MBA department from Technion Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on marketing philosophies. So marketing concepts or marketing management philosophies are the philosophies used by the businesses to guide their marketing efforts. Basically, marketing concepts relate to the philosophy a business use to identify and fulfill the needs of its customers, benefiting both the customer and the company. Same philosophy cannot result in a gain for every business. Hence, different businesses use different marketing concepts, also called marketing management philosophies. So friends, now we are going to discuss the very first philosophy, that is the production concept. This concept works on an assumption that consumers prefer a product which is inexpensive and widely available. This viewpoint was encapsulated in Say's law, which states supply creates its own demand. Hence, companies focus on producing more of the product and making sure that it is available to the customer everywhere easily. Increase in the production of the product makes the companies get the advantage of economies of scale. The decreased production cost makes the product inexpensive and more attractive to the customer. So friends, now we are going to discuss next concept, that is the product concept. This concept works on the assumption that customers prefer products of greater quality and price and availability. Doesn't influence their purchase decision. Hence, the company devotes most of its time in developing a product of great quality, which usually turns out to be expensive. So friends, now we are going to discuss about the next concept, that is the selling concept. Selling concept focuses on making every possible sale of the product regardless of the quality of the product or the need of the customer. The main focus is to make money. This philosophy doesn't include building relations with the customers, hence repeated sales are very less. Now we are going to discuss about the next concept, that is the marketing concept. Selling concept cannot let a company last long in the market. It's a consumer's market after all. To succeed in the 21st century, one has to produce a product to fulfill the needs of the customers. Hence, emerge the marketing concept. This concept works on an assumption that consumers buy products which fulfill their needs. Businesses following the marketing concept conduct researches to know about customers' needs and wants and comes out with the products to fulfill the same better than the competitors. By doing so, the businesses establishes a relationship with the customer and generate profits in the long run. Next concept which we are going to discuss is, that is a societal marketing concept. Adding to the marketing concept, this philosophy focuses on the society's well-being as well. The businesses focuses on how to fulfill the needs of the customer without affecting the environment, natural resources and focusing on the society's well-being. So friends, now we are going to discuss the last concept, that is the holistic marketing concept. Holistic marketing is a new addition to the business marketing management philosophies, which considers business and all its parts as one single entity and give a shared purpose to every activity and person related to the business. Holistic marketing concept enforces the interrelatedness and believes that a broad and integrated perspective is essential to attain the best results. So friends, I hope you understand the concept of marketing management philosophies. Thank you very much.